Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Convertify plugin to import Adobe Illustrator files into Figma, ensuring your layers stay editable and your design workflow stays in one place in 2026. Let's get into it. First, search for the official plugin on Google. The first step is locating the correct verified version of the tool. Since there are many converters online, you want to ensure you're using the official Hypermatic integration. Open your browser and type Convertify Figma plugin into the Google search bar. Click on the official Figma community result. You should see a page titled Convertify Sketch Adobe Google. Click the blue Try It Out or Run button in the top right corner of the page. Locate the Actions icon on your canvas. Now that the plugin is technically active in your account, you need to call it up while you're actually working on a design. Open any Figma file. Look at the toolbar at the bottom of your screen and click on the Actions icon, the small square with a diamond or arrow. Alternatively, you can use the quick search shortcut by pressing Ctrl+K. In 2026, the Actions bar is the global search for Figma. Instead of navigating through complex nested menus, this bar allows you to summon any installed tool instantly. This is the fastest way to pull up Convertify without cluttering your workspace with open panels you aren't using. Next, search for Convertify and launch. With the Actions bar open, you can now trigger the plugin's interface to begin the file migration process. Type Convertify into the search field that appeared. Click on the Convertify result that pops up. The plugin window will appear as a floating panel on top of your canvas. This search method bypasses the plugins menu entirely. In 2026, when you likely have dozens of plugins installed, searching by name is the professional standard for speed. It ensures you're launching the correct tool even if you have other similar sounding converters in your library. Lastly, use the import option for your AI file. The final step is moving from the default export view to the import view so you can bring your Adobe Illustrator work into Figma. Inside the Convertify window, find the Import section or select Adobe Illustrator to Figma from the drop-down menu. Click the Import button or drag your file into the window. Select your .ai file from your computer and click Open. Most users mistakenly stay on the Export Figma to Sketch screen. In 2026, Convertify is a two-way bridge. By switching to the import option, you tell the plugin to act as a reader. It will then parse the Adobe Illustrator data, converting your AI layers into native Figma vector paths and place them right on your canvas. And that's pretty much it. To get started in 2026, search for Convertify on Google and click the official Figma link. Once you're in a file, use the Actions icon at the bottom of the canvas to find the plugin, launch it, and select the Import option. This will allow you to select your Adobe Illustrator file and instantly convert it into editable Figma layers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.